Welcome back, explorers! Today, we journey through Albania, a land of rugged mountains and pristine beaches. From the vibrant streets of Tirana to the ancient ruins of Butrint National Park, Albania invites us to explore its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. Join us as we delve into Albania's top 10 must-visit destinations. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Albania, a land of history, nature, and adventure. Tirana. Wander through the colorful streets of Tirana, the heart of Albania. Admire the unique blend of architecture from Ottoman, Fascist, and Soviet eras. Visit the National History Museum to understand Albania's rich past. Experience the city's lively cafes and vibrant nightlife, a testament to its youthful energy. Berat. Step into the city of 1,000 windows, Berat, known for its iconic Ottoman-style architecture. Explore the historic castle overlooking the town, housing centuries-old churches and artifacts. Stroll through the charming Mangalam and Gjirokaster quarters across the Osum River. Feel the timeless allure of its UNESCO-listed cityscape, a photographer's paradise. Gjirokaster. Discover Gjirokaster, the stone city, with its fortress dominating the skyline. Walk along cobbled lanes lined with stone houses that tell tales of bygone eras. Visit the Ethnographic Museum, once the birthplace of a famous Albanian dictator. Marvel at the well-preserved Ottoman architecture, offering a glimpse into Albania's storied history. Saranda. Venture into Saranda, a gem on the Albanian Riviera with its stunning Ionian sea views. Explore the ruins of the ancient city of Butrint, a gateway to past civilizations. Enjoy the bustling promenade and vibrant nightlife during the summer months. Relax on beaches like Mirror Beach, with crystal-clear waters ideal for snorkeling. Ksamil Islands. Travel to the Ksamil Islands, where white sandy beaches and turquoise waters await. Hop between the islands by boat, enjoying the serene Mediterranean landscape. Indulge in fresh seafood at a beachside restaurant with a view of the Greek islands. Experience the tranquil beauty of this idyllic escape, perfect for a day in the sun. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Shkodra. Explore Shkodra, a cradle of Albanian culture, located by the stunning Lake Shkodra. Visit Rozafa Castle for panoramic views and tales of ancient legends. Stroll along the historic pedestrian boulevard, known for its art galleries and cafes. Experience the blend of religious tolerance and cultural heritage that defines this historic city. Vlore. Immerse yourself in Vlore, where Albania declared independence in 1912. Walk along the seafront promenade, enjoying the lively atmosphere and beautiful views. Visit the Independence Monument, a symbol of national pride. Explore nearby beaches and the scenic Logara Pass, offering thrilling views of the Ionian coast. Dhermi. Relax in Dhermi, home to some of the most beautiful beaches on the Albanian Riviera. Hike in the Logara National Park or paraglide from its heights for breathtaking vistas. Dance at summer music festivals that attract international DJs and crowds. Unwind on secluded beaches like Gjipe Beach, surrounded by stunning cliffs and nature. Butrint National Park. Step back in time at Butrint National Park, a microcosm of Mediterranean history. Explore ancient ruins that span Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Venetian eras. Wander through dense forests and wetlands that are home to diverse wildlife. Experience the mystery and history of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, a truly captivating visit. Kruje. Visit Kruje, a medieval town known for its resistance against the Ottoman Empire under Skanderbeg. Browse the old bazaar for traditional crafts and souvenirs. Tour the Skanderbeg Museum within Kruje Castle to learn about Albania's national hero. Enjoy the panoramic views of the surrounding landscape from the castle's lofty perch. From the vibrant culture of Tirana to the serene beauty of the Ksamil Islands, Albania beckons us to discover its enchanting cities, majestic landscapes, and rich history. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through Albania's most captivating destinations. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.